Welcome to your first step into the world of data analysis. Have you ever wondered how companies seem to know exactly what their customers want or how they make decisions that lead to success? The answer lies in data analysis. In this course, we'll break down the basics of data analysis, making it simple and approachable for everyone. Whether you're interested in business, technology, or just curious about how data shapes our world, you're in the right place. Let's get started by understanding what data analysis really means and why it's so important in today's digital age. Think about your daily life. Every time you use a mobile app, shop online, or even browse social media, you're generating data. Companies collect this information to learn more about their customers and improve their services. Data is truly everywhere and it's growing at an incredible rate. This abundance of data is what makes data analysis such a valuable skill. By learning how to analyze data, you'll be able to uncover hidden patterns and make smarter decisions both in business and in everyday life. What exactly is data analysis? At its core, data analysis is the process of collecting, cleaning, and examining data to discover useful information. This process helps us find patterns, trends, and insights that might not be obvious at first glance. By analyzing data, we can answer important questions and solve real-world problems. Whether you're working with sales numbers, customer feedback, or website traffic, data analysis gives you the tools to make sense of it all. The process of data analysis usually starts with collecting data from different sources. Next, the data needs to be cleaned, which means removing errors or irrelevant information. Once the data is ready, analysts use various methods to examine it and look for patterns or trends. Finally, the results are interpreted and shared through reports, charts, or dashboards. Each step is crucial to ensure that the insights gained are accurate and useful. Data analysis is more than just crunching numbers. It's about making sense of information to help businesses and organizations make better decisions. With the right analysis, companies can improve their sales, understand their customers, and even predict future trends. Data analysis also helps reduce risks and save money by identifying problems early and finding efficient solutions. In today's competitive world, the ability to analyze data is a powerful advantage. Businesses rely on data analysis to make informed decisions. By studying sales data, customer feedback, and market trends, companies can identify what works and what doesn't. This leads to better products, improved customer satisfaction, and increased profits. Data analysis also helps businesses spot new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. In short, it's a key driver of success in any industry. One of the biggest advantages of data analysis is its ability to reduce risks. By carefully examining data, businesses can identify potential problems before they become serious. For example, if sales are dropping in a particular area, data analysis can help pinpoint the cause and suggest solutions. This proactive approach saves time, money, and resources, making organizations more resilient and adaptable. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine a small shop owner who wants to know which products are the most popular. By analyzing sales data, the owner can see which items sell the most and on which days sales are highest. This information helps the shop owner make better decisions about inventory and promotions, ensuring that popular products are always in stock and sales continue to grow. Data analysis is all about finding patterns. In our shop example, the owner might notice that certain products sell better on weekends or during holidays. Recognizing these patterns allows for smarter planning and targeted marketing. The ability to spot trends is what makes data analysis so valuable, turning raw numbers into actionable insights. Data analyst is someone who specializes in studying data and uncovering insights. They use tools like charts, reports, and dashboards to present their findings in a clear and understandable way. Data analysts play a crucial role in helping businesses make sense of complex information and guide decision-making. Their work is essential in today's data-driven world. Data analysts need a mix of technical and analytical skills. They must be comfortable working with numbers, using software tools, and interpreting data. Communication is also key, as they need to explain their findings to others who may not have a technical background. Problem-solving and attention to detail are important traits for anyone interested in this field. Data analysts use a variety of tools to collect, clean, and analyze data. Common tools include spreadsheets like Excel, programming languages such as Python or R, and data visualization software like Tableau or Power BI. Each tool has its strengths, and analysts choose the best one for the task at hand. In our next lesson, we'll dive deeper into these tools and how they're used in real-world scenarios. Data comes in many forms. It can be numbers, text, images, or even videos. In business, common types of data include sales figures, customer reviews, and website traffic. Understanding the different types of data is important because each requires a unique approach to analysis. By recognizing the variety of data available, analysts can choose the right methods to extract valuable insights. First step in data analysis is collecting data from reliable sources. This might include sales records, customer surveys, or website analytics. It's important to ensure that the data is accurate and relevant to the problem you're trying to solve. Good data collection sets the foundation for meaningful analysis and trustworthy results. Once data is collected, it often needs to be cleaned. This means removing errors, duplicates, or irrelevant information. Clean data is essential for accurate analysis. If the data is messy or incomplete, the results can be misleading. Data cleaning may take time, but it's a crucial step that ensures the quality of your insights. After cleaning, the next step is to analyze the data. This involves using statistical methods and software tools to look for patterns, trends, and relationships. Analysts might use charts, graphs, or tables to visualize the data and make it easier to understand. The goal is to turn raw data into meaningful information that can guide decisions. Data visualization is a key part of data analysis. By creating charts, graphs, and dashboards, analysts can present complex information in a clear and engaging way. Visualizations help people quickly grasp trends and patterns, making it easier to communicate findings to others. Good visualizations turn data into stories that drive action. Interpreting the results of data analysis means understanding what the numbers and patterns actually mean. Analysts look for insights that can answer key questions or solve problems. This step often involves working closely with decision makers to ensure that the findings are relevant and actionable. Clear interpretation is what turns analysis into real-world impact. Once insights are discovered, they need to be shared with others. Data analysts use reports, presentations, and dashboards to communicate their findings. The goal is to make the information easy to understand and use. Effective communication ensures that the insights lead to better decisions and positive outcomes for the business. Data analysis is used in many industries, from retail and healthcare to finance and technology. For example, retailers analyze sales data to optimize inventory, while hospitals use data to improve patient care. No matter the field, data analysis helps organizations make smarter decisions and achieve better results. Sales data is one of the most commonly analyzed types of business data. By studying sales figures, companies can identify their best-selling products, understand customer preferences, and plan effective marketing strategies. Sales analysis helps businesses grow by focusing on what works and improving what doesn't. Customer data provides valuable insights into buying habits, preferences, and satisfaction. By analyzing this data, businesses can tailor their products and services to better meet customer needs. This leads to higher satisfaction, loyalty, and long-term success. Website data analysis helps businesses understand how visitors interact with their sites. By tracking page views, clicks, and user behavior, companies can improve website design and user experience. This leads to higher engagement and better results online. Marketing teams use data analysis to measure the success of campaigns and understand customer responses. By analyzing data from ads, emails, and social media, marketers can refine their strategies and achieve better results. Data-driven marketing is more effective and efficient. Data analysis helps businesses understand what customers like and dislike. By listening to feedback and analyzing trends, companies can make changes that improve satisfaction. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend the business to others. One of the most exciting uses of data analysis is predicting future trends. By studying historical data, analysts can forecast what might happen next. This helps businesses prepare for changes and stay ahead of the competition. Data analysis can also help businesses save money. By identifying inefficiencies and waste, companies can streamline operations and reduce costs. This leads to higher profits and a stronger bottom line. Ultimately, the goal of data analysis is to support better decision-making. By providing clear, evidence-based insights, data analysis takes the guesswork out of business strategy. Leaders can make confident choices that drive success. Data analysis isn't just for businesses. We use it in our daily lives, often without realizing it. For example, you might track your spending to manage your budget or analyze your workout data to improve fitness. Learning data analysis skills can help you make smarter choices in many areas of life. Technology has made data analysis faster and more accessible than ever. With powerful computers and software, even large datasets can be analyzed quickly. This has opened up new opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. While data analysis offers many benefits, it also comes with challenges. Data can be messy, incomplete, or difficult to interpret. Analysts must be careful to avoid errors and ensure their findings are accurate. Overcoming these challenges is part of what makes data analysis both interesting and rewarding. Ethics play an important role in data analysis. Analysts must respect privacy and use data responsibly. This means protecting sensitive information and being transparent about how data is used. Ethical data analysis builds trust and ensures positive outcomes. The field of data analysis is always evolving. New tools, techniques, and data sources are constantly emerging. Successful analysts stay up to date by learning new skills and adapting to changes. Continuous learning is key to staying relevant and effective. Data analysis often involves working with others. Analysts collaborate with colleagues from different departments to gather data, interpret results, and implement solutions. Teamwork ensures that insights are shared and used effectively across the organization. Strong communication skills are essential for data analysts. It's not enough to find insights, analysts must also explain them clearly to others. This often means translating complex data into simple, actionable recommendations that everyone can understand. Data analysis is a powerful tool for solving problems. By breaking down complex issues and examining the data, analysts can find solutions that might not be obvious. This problem-solving approach is valuable in every industry and profession. Organizations that value data analysis create a data-driven culture. This means making decisions based on evidence rather than guesswork. A data-driven culture encourages everyone to use data in their daily work, leading to better outcomes and continuous improvement. If you're new to data analysis, don't worry. Start by learning the basics such as how to collect and clean data and practice using simple tools like spreadsheets. As you gain experience, you'll be able to tackle more complex projects and use advanced software. The best way to learn data analysis is by doing. Try analyzing data from your own life or work, such as tracking expenses or measuring website visits. Hands-on practice helps you build confidence and develop valuable skills. There are many resources available for learning data analysis, including online courses, books, and tutorials. Take advantage of these tools to expand your knowledge and stay up to date with the latest trends in the field. Setting clear goals is important when starting a data analysis project. Decide what questions you want to answer and what success looks like. Clear goals help you stay focused and measure your progress along the way. Even experienced analysts make mistakes. Common errors include using poor quality data, misinterpreting results, or overlooking important details. Being aware of these pitfalls helps you avoid them and produce more reliable analysis. Data analysis is a rapidly growing field with exciting opportunities. Advances in technology such as artificial intelligence and machine learning are making analysis faster and more powerful. The future holds endless possibilities for those with data skills. Let's recap what we've learned today. Data analysis is the process of collecting, cleaning, and examining data to find useful insights. It helps businesses make better decisions, improve customer satisfaction, and reduce risks. Anyone can learn data analysis, and it's a valuable skill in today's world. In our next lesson, we'll explore the tools used in data analysis. From spreadsheets to advanced software, you'll learn how to choose and use the right tools for your projects. Stay tuned as we continue your journey into the world of data analysis.